The coalition government still holding on here in Karnataka. Joining us, DK Shivakumar of the Congress. It does not look as if the coalition wants that vote to happen. It's being delayed and delayed by speeches and speeches.
No, it is not been delayed. We wanted to rush up today, but two members, the governor has said that these members have withdrawn their support, and the same members have gone to the Supreme Court asking for a direction to be given within 5 o'clock, and the court is taking up tomorrow. So still the members have not concluded their speech. We all are there to present our views on whatever the issues are there. So we are trying to, we are requesting the speaker to give us time tomorrow. In the meantime, after the speaker's ruling on the whatever the whip issue is there, the leader of the legislative party is bound to issue whip. It is the duty of their party.
Okay.
We never come to the way. So I am trying to make my friends convinced that according to the scheduled, whichever is there on the 10th schedule and the constitution.
Holding the constitution in your hand. Yes.
Constitution. After they have been disqualified, they can't become the members of the ministry. So what for you have gone there?
So you're still talking to them, still trying to persuade them?
Yes, till I am trying to pursue them because they will lose their membership. They can't become the ministers. The BJP can't make them the minister. Whatever the BJP want, they will be satisfied, that's all. Ultimately, whatever these members want,
they will suffer.
They will suffer.
Will they be disqualified, do you feel, according to them?
100% the constitution provides no one can save them. If they doesn't come, tomorrow also, if they doesn't present before the speaker and put their views, it is very, I think, no one can save them.
So you want their status clear before any trust vote?
Yes.
Supreme Court decisions before any trust vote?
They have been misguided. I am trying to guide them as per this Constitution of India before the trust vote.
There was a letter going around which seemed to be Kumaraswamy's resignation letter. What was that all about?
See, Kumaraswamy letter they have forged and they have made it in the media that Honorable Chief Minister resigned. It is a forged letter. Just I also had a look at the letter. It is very shame. Some of my friends, whoever have done, have circulated to the media. We'll have to have a big investigation on this. Chief Minister letter of a resignation has been forged and sent across the social media. I think no government can take it up. This is a very serious issue, and the crime of this cyber crime has to look at it immediately.
Finally, when will the trust vote happen? When do you see it happen?
I think whenever the speaker allows us to finish our
all of you.
discussion.
How many more?
About 20 of us are there. We are ready to present our views.
Thank you so much. Thank you, DK Shivakumar of the Congress there. Another 20 people to speak and present their views in the Assembly. That trust vote is not going to happen anytime soon. An investigation being ordered into that fake resignation letter of H.D. Kumaraswamy, Chief Minister of Karnataka. But the trust vote not going to happen right away, for sure. And he says certain disqualification for those MLAs if they don't appear before the Speaker on Tuesday.